Hello my wonderful lazy dancer, welcome to Lazy Dance Tips. I'm Alessia. Today I've got for you already a beautiful legged workout to get your legs strong, super toned and ready to walk you anywhere that you need. We are going to be on the floor and we are going to get them strong like never before. Remember that if you need an extra help on how to work out every day, I've got my Get Ballerina Fit plan completely free for you down in the box below. You just need to click download and it's there for you. Remember that I'm always going to be here helping you out and get you fit as much as possible, getting you to dance and make you feel happy and super free. Why super free? Because we're dancing. But anyway, without any further ado, let's start with this legs workout. Find a space in your home and let's lie down and get those legs strong. Here we go, let's start. We're gonna work on our legs today like never before, but again, it's quick, it's nice, especially if we're starting back in our work routine, January or not. Let's work on this. So again, first things first, let's start with giving a good massage to our legs, almost like you want to warm them up and say, hi, you're awake, activating circulation, and give them a little bit of loving. So again, very much rubbing them quickly, and then passing on to the other one, going, oh, hello. It's a little cuddle for ourselves here and there. Very good, around our hips, around our hip flexors, coming around. Now claws, and again, it's almost like you're scratching, yeah? Give yourself a good scratch. So from the back of the legs, your calves, the top of your feet. Yeah, if you've got long nails, careful. I never do. They always get in the way. Top of the knees, around the knees, inside thighs, top of the thighs, on the side, on the IT band, and again, back of the legs. Good. From there, start with going from one side, itchy now, and then the other. Good. Warm up the hips, inside the hip socket. Nice and gentle, just moving around, feeling what the tailbone is doing as well. Moving from one side to the other. Very good. From there, we're gonna go from down, little lifting, and coming back down. Oh yes, and again, up and lift, and down. Thinking that your hips are doing a little rainbow, yeah? So don't cheat, there is no cheating, yeah? So think about corner, up on a rainbow, and then coming down. Oh yes, and again, one last one, up and over into a rainbow, and down. Always imagine, always visualize it. It's much easier whenever we visualize. And up and over, and something starts clicking, it's good. We're giving them a little bit of space. Good. Nice and gentle again. Quick, side to side, little massage. Good. From there, coming onto one leg, either here, wherever you can, or knee to knee, and then giving a good relaxing moment. And again, changing, one down. So we get that little activation into our bum. Yeah, a little movement, a little sweating, a little stretch. Good. Nice and gentle though, don't press too much. It's not the, I'm gonna get into stretching and stretch every possible thing. It's nice and gentle, yeah? Good, a little dance. Good, up and over. Last two, up and over, and up and over. Good, brilliant. So you're there. We're gonna come down onto our side. Yes, nicely sustained. I don't want to see this. It's nicely sustained, like you've got a nice little kitten, which cats have gone today. But you got a cat there. If you do this, squish it. So up here, plant one leg up here. The other one stays up, down the bottom there. So from here, engaging in our core, we're not sitting on the back. Very good. We're up and nice and tall. Gorgeous. From here, we're gonna lift. We're gonna flex the back like you're in a bicycle. Coming back. Oh yeah. And back. And up. And back. Point to the front. Oh yes, there's a bit of a coordination as well because your brain is gonna go, I don't know what you're doing there. So take your time. So we flex and we go bicycle at the back. Coming back in. Point in the front. And back, nice and slow. And come into the front. Yes, that was dress rehearsal, but I'll give you those. So we've done 2. And then we're gonna go 3. Good, core engage. 4. Aha. 5. Good. 6. 7. Nice. And 8. Good. From there, like nothing is happening, the top leg is going and join the other one and go, hi legs. How are you today? Little beat. Little beat. Hold it, little loving in between. Yeah, the 2 legs. And coming back down. Gorgeous. We're gonna go the other way. So we're gonna bicycle it. Bicycle it, bicycle, bicycle, bicycle. Right here, point in the front. Yeah, have a little dress rehearsal. So we flex and we point. We flex and a point. Yeah, coordination usually there is one that is much better than the other. Yes, it's kind of normal. Very good. So ready, lifting up, ready for your bicycle. And flex at the back, paddling at the front. Very good. Sustain the side. Flex to the back, point to the front. Very good. 3. Very good. Nice and gentle. 4. Good. 5. Good. 6. Keep on smiling. 7. And 8. Nice and bicycle. Coming back there. Very good. Guess what? Top leg is coming up. Joining the other one. Little kissy kissy. Away the legs. Keep beating. Keep beating. Beat, 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 beat. Beat root. Go, go, go. Go, go. Breathe. Lift. Down. Very nice. Coming on the other side. From here, I love this. From here, just nice and gentle, we're gonna flex our, coming up, hovering. Yes, so we're still chatting, we're still having this nice conversation. Yes, like nothing up here is happening, very good. We're gonna flex our foot, point in our foot, flex our foot, point our foot, flex our foot, point our foot, flex, lift, down, good. Keep it there. Point our foot, flex our foot, point the foot, flex the foot. Very good. Point and flex. Lift the front leg. Good. One more. And point and flex. Point and flex. Keep it sustaining. Point, flex, lift the leg. Down. Last one. Come on, I know it's burning. And flex. And point. And flex. And point. And flex. Lift. Point the bottom foot. Join the 2. Little kissy beat root. Go. Go. Breathe. Down. 2 legs, double of the fun. You know me now. I know. Just trying to get you stronger. Very good. Ready? Sustaining the side, open the shoulders, not down here. Very good. Remember the kitten. It's right here. Ready? Lifting up. We're gonna go. Flex the foot. Point. Flex. Point. Flex. Point, flex again, lift, and down. Keep it up there. point, and flex, point, and flex. Keep on smiling, and flex. Lift the front leg, and down. Very good. Again, 1, and flex, and point. Keep on breathing, flex, and point, and flex. Lift the front leg. Good. One last one. Come on, we've got this. Point, flex, point, flex. Don't give up. Stay with me. Stay with me. Lift the leg. Very good. Join in the 2. And a little beat, 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 beat. Keep on going. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Down. Good. Coming down from there. Little straddle. Let's release the inside thighs. Gorgeously done. Nice and gentle. Coming down. Like a little massage from there. Yeah. Rocking side to side. Letting the legs follow your hips and the movement of the natural hips. Yes. Very good. From there, nice and gentle. It doesn't matter if you're here. If you're here, you're doing this. If you're over there, you're doing this. So we release on one side, we let go on the other. Yes, this is the kind of movement we want. And then we go nice and gentle. Thinking of someone pushing from the middle of the back. Yes, middle of the back, coming down. So no, someone is not pushing us from the top, it's pushing us from middle of the back, just on the lumbar side. Very good. Slightly gently, so your bum naturally sticks out. Very good. And then coming down. If you can go down full straddle, find a nice stretch. Again, don't let the knees coming forward. Keep the knees up towards the ceiling. Very good, and stay there. From there, tippy toe your fingers out to the side, parallel to the floor. Good. Breathe in, breathe out. Nice. And then from there, tippy toe around. It's not tippy toe, it's tippy finger. Tippy finger around. Take it out to the other side. Shoulders parallel to the floor. Very good. Nice. Keep the opposite leg up towards the ceiling. Coming back in. Rolling yourself up. Taking your legs in into a butterfly. Just giving it a little good shaky wherever it is. And again, remember the claws. We're giving a good massage to the inside thighs because they've worked really hard. They've done it very good. And then from there, we are taking out to the IT band right on the side, coming all the way down, giving a good massage, giving a good claw massage to the butt. Around, onto the top of your feet, on the arch of the foot, coming back up. Nice cross the legs, nice and tall, feeling the tingling of the legs going, and beautifully done. I know these inside thighs are gonna get stronger and stronger the more you do this. Very well done, proud of you.